After the SEC-approved spot Bitcoin ETF, many large companies, after receiving approvals, immediately began to invest into Bitcoin. But a special place among many of them was occupied by Blackrock, which owns $9 trillion in assets. CEO of the company, Larry Fink, spoke about Bitcoin and confirmed that he sees the future and that Bitcoin is gold in a world of cryptocurrencies. Well, let's plunge into this wonderful video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So first of all, let's start with the news. Just in, Bitcoin ETFs had $720 million inflows on first day. It's just getting started. I bought an apartment in 2015 worth 1100 Bitcoin. Today it's actually worth 9 Bitcoin only. What are we trying to do is provide an instrument to store wealth. Larry Fink on Bitcoin. Also, unlike gold where we manufacture new gold, we're almost at a ceiling of the amount of Bitcoin that can be created. It appears Larry Fink is starting to understand that gold is not scarce compared to Bitcoin. Also, $9 trillion asset manager Blackrock CEO said Bitcoin is gold, and we see this confirmed by his official statement. Bitcoin is likely to follow in the footsteps of gold when the ETF was launched. Halving will be another catalyst pushing Bitcoin's price to a new all-time high. And basically, what do we see on the gold? When in 2004 gold ETF launched, it was a 21% downwards trend drawdown over here. Then after that, it started on growing. A small drop happened and occurred, and then it was just a parabolic rally that continued on going up. What do we expect in Bitcoin in 2024 after the ETF launched? Probably 20% decline over here is about to happen, and then we're going to see an increase up to $100,000 price. Also, the institutions have now started promoting Bitcoin. Bitcoin is no different than what gold represented over thousands of years, an asset that protects you. Unlike gold where we manufacture new gold, we're almost at the ceiling of the amount of Bitcoin will be printed. Larry Fink on his official interview. Next up, me too. I'm also feeling a little deflated from yesterday's Bitcoin price performance. I too, on some level, was hoping for a straight green candle to God. It's natural to feel that way. However, the sell the news turned into sell the launch. There was probably months of build-up positions that were built for the sole purpose of selling into the news. If you bought Bitcoin in a day Blackrock filed and sold it yesterday, the return was roughly 77%. It's no joke, and professional traders would have known this. There was only a dribble of inflows that everyone was talking about on day one, and it still got the massive volume numbers that our players were looking for in order to create their marketing stack. Bitcoin was moving a lot, but not much was actually being bought from my opinion. And in addition, we discovered that Vanguard and Mario wouldn't even allow their retail to start buying it until the big boys let the dust settle. So of course, no big green candle. It's also why I refrained from making day one predictions and rather made a week one prediction. My week one prediction still stands, 3.5 billion of net inflow. If that happens, then a price of $57,000 to $62,000 occurs. We will evaluate next Thursday, and it's okay to feel deflated, but let's not act like the most important liquidity opening adoption booming event for Bitcoin did not happen yesterday. This is the monumental achievement for humanity. We have finally securitized and made accessible the hardest asset humanity has ever created to the entire financial system. This is before lending gets activated, before derivatives get activated, before rates start coming down, before liquidity starts even getting injected into these funds. Sure, no one day green candle, but did you really truly only want a one night stand? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more daily news on Bitcoin. See you in the next one, and peace.